Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at the Tricam fish and game table. It wasn't really hard to put together, there were just a couple little things, so I thought I'd make a quick video. These are the pieces that come in the box, and we'll start with the faucet. This is where the hose would get connected for your water source. And you just untwist that and it pops out. That goes into there. This really goes up only one way. Just put it through there, push it down to make a connection and tighten it up. We'll just pretend that I tightened that up. Now this piece here, you have to pop this metal piece out. They're probably embedded in there for shipping purposes because this is a little on the thin side. So I already popped it out ahead of time. You take one of the gaskets, the threaded bolt, and that goes in there. So you're done with that and you're done with the faucet already. This gasket goes in here. This gasket goes in the tailpipe. This nut goes in here in the bottom. It sits in there. So we can go down here to the bottom. What you want to do down here is push up on the threaded bolt a little bit, because you're going to thread that in there. Put your finger on the bottom so that the nut doesn't pop out, and then just start screwing in that long ball. It's pretty long. I don't know why it's so long. I'm sure there's a reason for it, but just keep screwing that in there with your finger on there. Once you get to a certain point, you'll be able to turn it from the bottom, which is a little bit easier. Okay, and then once that's done, you take the tail piece, it slides up in there, and make sure it sits right. You don't want to cross thread. It should go in really easy, so if it's fighting you, that means that it's probably cross threaded and you have to start again. Okay, and that's tightened. That's actually pretty much all you have to do. This is like an accordion. You can make it whatever height you want. And that's really all there is to it. This is a flathead screwdriver. You tighten that down, and again you have to tighten that down as well. You get a little drain plug. And that's all there was. Very happy with it. It seems to be pretty sturdy. It's comfortable working height. It's about 1 inch taller than your kitchen countertops. I'm 5'8" and I feel comfortable. So for the money, I'm very happy with it. And I hope that helped you put it together. And thanks for watching.